Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome. So for today's video, we're just gonna be doing our Lip Monthly unbagging, yay! So basically, if you don't know what Lip Monthly is, it's a beauty subscription. You get pretty much all lip products. Sometimes we'll throw in like a random makeup product, like an eyeshadow or something else, but you mainly just get lip products, 4 to 5 lip products, and it runs for $12.95 a month. I do have a coupon code for 55% off your first bag if you do want to try this out. It's a really cool subscription. You get to try out new lipsticks every month. And if you're a lip junkie like me and you love lip products and lipsticks and lip glosses and all that kind of stuff, then you might love this subscription bag. So I do have a coupon code. I'll leave it down below if you guys want to try it out. This one is for the month of January. I know I'm a little bit behind, so I'm sorry for that. I have been a little bit busy lately with school, but we are going to go ahead and see what's in our January Lip Monthly bag. If you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. All right, so this is the bag for January. Really cute, the little stars on it, pour everything out. It usually comes with a little card, but this one didn't come with that this time. Maybe they just forgot to put it in this one, but it usually comes with like a little card that tells you like what month it's for, and it gives you the details of what everything costs and the names of everything, but mine's missing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I got in mine. It looks like everything is a lip product. If that's a lip product, then yeah, everything's a lip product. Or is that an eyeliner? I don't know if this is an eyeliner. This one might be an eyeliner. I mean, I guess you could use it as lip liner, but I think because of the shade, it might just be an eyeliner. So we'll go ahead and I guess do that one first. So this is the Isabella DuPont. That's what that looks like there. And it's like a deep blue shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch that. I'm pretty sure this is an eyeliner. Very pigmented though. And that's what that looks like there. Just like a deep blue eyeliner pencil. I don't see the color or anything on here, so it's kind of confusing, but if I can find a link for this product, I'll go ahead and leave it down below for you guys so you guys can get more information on it. Okay, so next we have this one by Jordana. They sell Jordana at Walgreens, by the way, so it's called the Easy Shine Glossy Lip Color. This one is in the shade Raspberry 04. So that is what that looks like there. Really pretty pinky shade. Go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Ooh, it's very glossy. It's like a lipstick, but it's a gloss. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I could literally just eat this. Okay, so that's what that looks like there. It's pretty pigmented too, right? It's a really pretty pink shade. That one, once again, is the raspberry shade of the Jordana Easy Shine Glossy Lip Colors. And then next we have this one by Mirabella. It's the Color Luxe Lip Gloss. It's like the second lip gloss. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is what that looks like there. How gorgeous is that? Like golden reflex in it. Ooh, that is so pretty. If you love gloss, you're probably, oh, that smells good too. Ooh, that one smells yummy too. If you love gloss, you're probably gonna really like this too. It's not super pigmented, but it does have pigmentation to it. It does have sparklies to it if you love dimension on your lips. So that is what that looks like there. Really pretty, it smells yummy, and it'll give a really pretty dimension to the lips. All right, and last but not least, we have this lip pencil by Tarte Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Jewel. Ooh, it's like a vampy shade. So that looks like that. It's not as deep as I thought it was gonna be, but it is a really pretty shade. Super pretty. That once again is Jewel by Tarte. And that's it. That's everything we had in our January Lip Monthly bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like seeing these videos, just give it a thumbs up letting me know, and I'll continue to do them for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hey girl, hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other. And also, if you are subscribed, don't forget to hit that little bell. That little bell is going to give you notifications on any time I post a new video here on my channel. I know I haven't been posting that many videos lately, but I am trying to get back on the flow of things. So that's going to give you notifications on any time I post a new video. So, but I think that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video.